It's like every time I take the bike now, he's already not coming home. Every time I take the bike. And then man, yeah, snakes I'm watching my back. Yeah.
Tip.
So yeah people, back at it again.
So yeah people, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog, and welcome back to my beautiful island of St. Lucia people. And currently people, we at work missy with the Grom, yeah missy, the mini bike. It's a mini bike, yeah, a mini bike missy. It's not too small.
It's not too small for you guys.
That's a mini bike so.
It looks like your son bike.
Huh?
It looks like your son bike.
That's a mini bike.
So yeah people, let's head off and let's get to riding missy, yeah.
Mustard you.
Yeah man.
And yeah people, don't forget to hit the subscribe and the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload content to the channel people. Let's go! So yeah people, imagine I stand here side here and I meet up with my dream ride people, yeah? Can y'all guess what ride it is? It's in front of that car. So yeah people, look I'm about to move behind it and we come in behind it. Oh damn it, yes sir. So yeah people, the Raptor, and I'm talking about the original Raptor, you see. Not the small thing we have in television. So you see. I'm not sure people for now, but I know one day people we have to get one. One day we say we have to get one, we say, yeah? And it's how not people, yeah? Not gonna lie people, going to the side of it felt pretty awesome. Like I have the first bike I wanted and I literally besides the pickup truck I want. How insane is that people, yeah? So fingers crossed we see in the future we'll make it happen, yeah? We just have to keep striving and we just have to keep pushing. Nothing is impossible, yeah? Nothing is impossible. I never thought I would get that bike, honestly. And I did. So we can't get the pickup. We can't get the truck, people. It's just a matter of time and matter of effort. It's not a normal day if there isn't an accident, so yeah, people get used to it and get used to the traffic. So yeah, people, let's look for a spot to just cool out for a while because I myself, you see, I haven't had breakfast, and right now there is about almost 5 o'clock. Yeah, it's almost 5, so I have to eat something to eat. Okay, that didn't come out right. I have to get something to eat, yeah. But yeah, people, I will not advise you stay that long without eating because in the long run they will have side effects. It doesn't happen often, but when it do happen, yeah, people, it does happen bad. So we got our spot. Now let's have our breakfast. And in case you're wondering what I having for breakfast at 5 in the afternoon, people, it's bread, salami, and juice. The literal juice name is juice. And honestly, people, I find the best tasting one is the grape. The others tasting like crap. No joke, people. They have a terrible taste. And since we're talking about random stuff, people, well, it's not really random, but let me introduce myself, people, yeah? I'm basically a guy living in St. Lucia, right? And I don't have much going on, yeah? I'm not fully active in terms of, yeah, let me go there tomorrow, let me go there the day after. Like, for me, it's just go to work, come back home, work, home, repeat. Work, home, repeat. Yeah, people, that's basically my life. I'm not one of those that will say, you know what, let's go to that fete, let's go to that party, let's go to that whatever. Yeah, people, I doesn't really go out. Yeah, and a lot of people find it boring, but I find it peaceful. Yeah, sometimes. Sometimes it's a bit boring, but you'll get the point. They say we are in peace of mind and salami right now. Yeah, one of them was tasting good, was one of them wasn't tasting that good at all. But anyways, people, I hope you all enjoy the video. Yeah. So we're heading home now, and if you reach that far in the video, don't forget to check out my other videos. And hopefully there's something you like here.